Sean Diddy Combs' attorney says judge acted as 13th juror, vows to appeal 50-month sentence. Sean Diddy Combs was sentenced to 50 months in prison for Mann Act violations, with his attorneys claiming the judge overstepped the jury's verdict. New York City, New York. Sean Diddy Combs' lawyers announced they will appeal his recent sentence after accusing Judge Arun Subramanian of overstepping his role. Lead attorney Mark Agnifilo said the judge acted as a 13th juror when he handed down the sentence. Combs received 4 years and 2 months in prison on 2 Mann Act charges related to transporting individuals for prostitution. His defense team argued the punishment disregarded the jury's acquittal on more serious charges. "We are planning to appeal," said Agnifilo. "We think we have a strong basis to appeal." He added, "What we feel happened today was that the judge acted as a 13th juror and second-guessed the jury." Attorney Mark Agnifilo. The sentence was driven by outside pressure. The sentence was based on conduct the jury rejected. The jury acquitted Mr. Combs of any coercion, he said. The jury's verdict was resoundingly clear. There was no sex trafficking, no racketeering, everything was consensual and adult, which is why he was convicted only of the prostitution offense. Attorney Brian Steele, another member of the defense team, described the ruling as a very bad day for everybody. "There is a human being now in custody for 50 months, based upon conduct that the jury heard, the jury resolved, and the jury rejected," Steele said. Lead attorney Tenny Garagos highlighted the importance of the jury's decision. "The jury made it very clear in their verdict that they acquitted him of the sex trafficking and RICO counts. Not guilty means not guilty." A juror from Combs' trial told ABC News that the rapper's 50-month sentence was too light. "I think he got off easy. I'm surprised the judge was that lenient," the juror said. "I think 10 years would have been more appropriate. He has many more civil suits filed against him, so he will be in and out of court for years. I'm sure he will have more fines to pay too." Since his arrest in September 2024, Sean Diddy Combs has been held at the Metropolitan Detention Center in Brooklyn. Appearing in court on October 3rd, he issued an apology for what he described as disgusting, shameful, sick behavior. "I don't have anybody to blame but myself," Combs said. "I know I'll never put my hands on another person again. I know I've learned my lesson. My acts of domestic violence are a burden I'll carry for the rest of my life." The term 13th juror refers to a judge who second-guesses a jury's verdict, despite being required to follow it. It can also describe an outsider commenting on